Well, hello, everybody. This is Mac, and this is one-step algebra equations, multiplying and dividing. This is version B. In version A, we only did ones with positive numbers because we wanted you to get used to multiplying and dividing and when to do which. Now, just remember, if you go to, Max Tutorials, .com, you'll see a lot more videos that are like this that'll explain it slower and a lot more algebra. So please go there. So now we're going to have some negative numbers on this one. So let's go slow at first, and then we'll go ahead and ramp it up. Number one is 5 times x. So as we learned in the last one, we want to divide by whatever's in front of the x. That cancels out. X equals a negative divided by a positive is a negative, and that's my answer. Number two, y divided by negative 6. Well, if it's divided by a negative 6, you want to multiply by a negative 6. These will cancel out, and I'll get y equals negative 48. Okay, number three, it's negative 8 times m. So you want to divide by everything, and right there, that's going to be a negative 8, okay? M equals negative 8, because 64 divided by 8 is 8. Number four, I'm going to multiply by a positive 9 because that's what I have in the denominator here. And I'm going to get a equals negative 63. Number five is negative 3 times p, so we're going to divide by negative 3. And that's going to leave me with p equals negative 8. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. This one is divide by 5, so I want to times by 5. And I'm going to get n equals negative, that would be 65, I believe, correct. Okay, so number 7, I'm going to divide by just a normal 11 because that's all that's in front of the b, right? b equals negative 8. Number 8 is divide by negative 4, so I want to times by negative 4. Do not forget that negative sign. Super, super important, okay? Number 9 is times by negative 6, so we have to divide by the negative 6. We're not subtracting 6, we're dividing by a negative 6. And that will give me a negative 9 for an answer. Number 10, we're going to multiply each side by 8, and that'll get rid of that denominator. I'm going to get t equals negative 48. Let's keep going on here. Let's go on to number 11. 7 times r, well, let's just divide by 7. And that gives me an r equals negative 7. Number 12 is divide by 3. Well, let's multiply by 3. Okay, that's my big multiplication thing. It's weird because of the number it's in the way. That's like 3 over 1, by the way, in case you forgot. So that's going to be the 3's are going to cancel out. I'm left with q equals, what is 16 times 3? That would be 48. But notice it's a negative times a positive, so my answer has to be negative. Number 13 is 12 times, so I'm going to divide by 12. Boom, boom. W equals, do you know your 12s? That would be a negative 8. Okay? Now, this one is divide by negative 2, so I want to multiply by negative 2. Boom, boom. And I get d equals negative 36. This right here is 9 times h, so I want to divide by 9. And I'm going to get h equals negative 8. Number 16 is divide by negative 7, so I want to multiply by negative 7. And that's going to give me f equals negative 77. Number 17 is negative 4 times z, so I have to divide by negative 4. Remember, you have to include the sign while you do this. Z equals negative 11. Ooh, I did a lot of ones there. Got excited. There we go. Number 18 is divide by 10, so we're going to multiply by 10. On both sides, they go away, and I'm left with g equals a negative times a positive is a negative. Number 19 is 2 times v, so we're going to divide by 2, and we're going to get v equals negative 19. And then number 20, I'm not crossing it out. I'm doing a multiplication symbol. At least I'm trying to. Okay, and I'm going to multiply each side by negative 11, and I'm going to get j equals negative 99. Okay, so right there is version B, and we'll put them together and mix up some even more negatives in version C. If you're feeling good and you want to move on, you're more than welcome to. But if you feel like you want some more practice, which is really what locks this in your head, it's just practice, 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 go ahead and go to version C, and I'll see you there.